Are you ready to see the most insane, most intense, most educational, and most entertaining affiliate marketing video on the internet? If we do not make $250 in revenue by 72 hours affiliate marketing, I will delete this channel. I actually don't want to do that. I gotta do something. I will leak all my friends' phone numbers, because I have no friends, so it doesn't really matter anyways. I'm gonna have to do one of the craziest things I've ever said in my life. I'm gonna go bald. Now that we got that whole whatever I just did, let's get into this. Number one, how we're gonna be affiliate marketing. Well, I got one of the best strategies that I've never used before, so it's absolutely gonna go amazing, or it's gonna be really bad. I'm gonna be buying a TikTok account, not Instagram, TikTok account. What am I gonna do with that? Well, you guessed it. We're gonna be putting our affiliate link in there, but not only will we be making money with affiliate money, but we will be making money when we flip the account for profit after 72 hours. Is that affiliate marketing? No. So what's the point? I don't know. It's money. So that's the plan. But first we gotta actually buy a TikTok account. So give me like 2 seconds. What did you know? I actually bought one an hour before this video. Wow. It's called That's very cool. And I bought this for, guess what, 250 bucks. Now you're probably wondering, because if you're following with this video, how do I buy accounts like these or maybe even sell them? Now my Discord, which is free, that's right, with 4 E's, there's an account manager, he's certified. So I'm like, yo, what's up? Can I get something less than 250 because I'm kind of broke right now because I just bought this whole setup? Can we do that? And he's like, no, 250 is the max. Get your money up, not your funny up. So I said, okay. And I bought this for 250. Anyway, 63,000 followers with about 809,000 likes. Hey guys, so I'm a certified idiot here. I didn't show you guys which offer I'm promoting. So I'm on the ClickBank marketplace. I just scrolled through top offers here and I'm promoting this one right here, the wealth manifestation thing right here. So it's just a really simple one and that's all I'm promoting. So I'm like, yo, can you make these? Bro, what do you mean? Why did you stop? My camera just died. Let's just go to day 2, okay? So this is day 2 of this challenge. It's currently May 24th. Yesterday was May 23rd. And today, I mean, this is the challenge and we already blew up on our first TikTok. 121,000 views, 21,000 likes, 192 comments, and 5,000 bookmarks. And the comment that we posted down below saying, hey, free jobs in the bio, got about 5 likes, which did attract some people there. So in total, we got about 72 people to view our affiliate link and we did secure a sale. So we got a commission of $55.93. Originally the deal said the average conversion was $57, so I'm kind of confused on how we got $2 less and a cent, but either way I guess we made some money, so that's pretty good. Now this is the best that I've ever done on TikTok with the first day. I mean, 23 hours, 121,000 views is really good on a TikTok, especially that this account has never done that before. So let's post our second video of the challenge and the first one for today because I didn't post one yet. I posted a video already before filming this part, so hopefully that will do the same amount and hopefully that didn't actually make a distraction for the video we already have, meaning that the algorithm's not going to push our last video that has 120,000 views, but only time will tell. Okay, so today is May 25th, and just to cover up May 24th as well, because I need to cover those 2 days as well. One of our TikToks currently is at about 26,000 views that I posted today, which has just about over 5,000 likes, and then the big one, the 121,000 one, has 245,000 views at this moment, which is awesome. The other two, they kind of flopped, 3,000 views, and one of them has 700 views. So for the day today, we've done over, I believe, 140,000 views on our total page, and which has gotten us a total of 288 hops total. That's not initial hops, 288 hops, and then 3 sales for $161.79. So I'm seeing now that we're supposed to get about $57 per conversion, but we're getting about $53.93 per conversion. So that's where it's adding up. So honestly, for the past 2 days, we've been doing good. We're at, I believe, a little over $210. So hopefully tomorrow we can finish off this challenge. So now we're at the end of this challenge. It's May 27th, and yeah, 72 hours is up, and we're gonna go through the analytics, how much we made, and the total of our whole entire challenge. So yesterday we posted a TikTok of 194,000 views, and it really popped off. The other one got 266,000 views. This is the one I posted wherever I'm showing on the screen. I posted this morning, and as you can see from this morning and then just right now, it jumped a lot. And total followers, we went up almost about 3 3,000 followers. I think just about 3,000 followers we went up, which is pretty crazy. I mean, just to get over 500,000 views for this little TikTok account is really impressive, with also 4,300 profile views is also great as well. Now let's go over to ClickBank and see what our total compensation was for this whole entire challenge. So now we got to sum up this whole entire thing, because I told you if we didn't make $250 in revenue, I would have to go bald. So this is what happened. We got over 450 hops, and we got a total of 6 sales that gave us a total of over $400 made in total revenue. Let's think about this logically, guys, because I said, hey, if I don't make 250 bucks, which I bought the TikTok account for, I would have to shave my head bald. Now, the good thing is I don't have to shave my head bald because I didn't make less than $250. But we bought this account for $250 and we flipped it and made 400 bucks. We didn't actually sell the account, but we made the money through the audience that the account brought to us. So just in 3 days, we almost doubled our ROI. That is pretty insane. Now, I'm supposed to sell this account for the video, but I honestly don't want to. I made $400 in the past 3 days just off this account, so I really do not want to sell it. Now, I was going to sell it because if people found out what the account was, which I'm sure you guys will, then, well, my account's kind of screwed. Because last ClickBank challenge, I showed my account and people ran to the account and bombarded it. So I don't want that to happen again. Now, this is a bigger account than last time, but I'm making good money off of it, so I don't really want to sell it whatsoever, because making $400 in 3 days is not a bad deal when you just bought it for 250 bucks. So you doubled its value in almost 4 days. Was there luck involved with this? Definitely some luck for sure. The 2 videos that popped off, I picked those out perfectly for this challenge because I feel like they were gonna pop off. What it basically meant for psychological wise is it brought a lot of emotion and hustle to it, so people would share the video to share it to their family, friends, or whatever. So those 2 videos, I knew they were going to do pretty well because I've done this for a while now, and I know what videos could definitely pop off, so that did very, very good. Again, if you found the account, please do not bombard it. Don't copy the videos. You're not going to get the same views I do because TikTok doesn't like duplicated content, so don't do that. I want to make these videos fun for me as well, so when people go to the account and bombard them and ruin the account, which does ruin my side hustle and ruins the money I'm getting as well, it makes me a little mad, so don't do that, please. But besides that whole spill, we made over $400 3 days. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will definitely do a lot more of these because I do it anyways for a side hustle, because I just like doing a side hustle and it's really easy to do. It takes me like maybe 30 minutes to an hour a day, and it's very easy to do. So it's kind of like I'm doing a day in my life when it's not really a challenge because I just do it anyways. So if you guys want to see more of this, please like the video, subscribe. This didn't really take me a long time to make, but it took me a little bit to edit it and whatnot. So I hope this was some good value for you guys. The key to learn from this video is look for an account, maybe if you want to buy one or you're starting one up as well. Pick videos or make videos out that will hit the emotional spot of a human being so they could share that video, which it becomes more viral. And also put your comment down below in the video so it tells people to go to your bio. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay safe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.